So magandang araw kabole, sa video na ito kabole, nabas po natin yung ating pong power ranking as paparating na tayo sa middle part nitong ating tournament kabole, and then we have some discussions about comments ng mga fans, and then of course we will highlight a player kabole. So hindi pa nakasubscribe po kayo, pindot naman po yung subscription button. Sabi po ni Tome Lusaga, wala na yan, malabo pa yan sa sabaw ng pusit, magpa-draft ang mga yan, hindi na yan idol magpapadraft. Sabi ni user MV8, maganda sa mga fans kasi at least mabebe sa ng farm team kasi masakit sa mata kalaban ng big team kasi laging talo at tambak. Actually, naman siguro Sin Juan, or pabango yan, hindi pa pang haircut Northport, sabi naman yun. Kung sino man po yung kukunin po na akari. Pero sana lang talaga mangyari na po. We just hope na mangyari na po. Now, if focus sa ating player na yan is wala na pong iba kundi si Jerry Gunn Misi, yun na, dami na nakakapansin, kabola, no? So, he is really hot right now from his outside shooting. He is shooting, at the recording of this video, 7 out of 16 from the 4-point line. Alam niyo ba kung gaano kaimba ito kabola, yung shooting niya? That's basically 14 out of 16 kapag i-convert mo sa 2-point line. 14 out of 16, that's I think 90% shooting. Kabola, that is really amazing. So, for this 4-point shooter, talagang bibigyan sila ng buhay with the arrival of this 4-point shot, kabol. Ito na yung power ranking natin. Of course, kutit ang Terra Firma, kabola. Sobrang pangit ng galawan nila ngayon, kabola. Yung galawan ng mga players, specifically Stan Heininger, wala. I mean, they will not enter the playoffs in this tournament. Number 11 ko, Phoenix, kabola. They have found their import, kabola. Tingnan natin kung mag-work. Shooter yung import nila. And if he is capable of hitting those 4-point shots, then I think this can work. Number 10, Blackwater Elite. So they have a big win against Ginebra. Can they follow up? Kabola. Ito na ba yung breakout win kung saan mas maging confident? Itong si Bearfield, kabola. Mas makikita natin yung laruan niya. We will see. Number 9 ko, Northport. Arven Tolentino. I hope he will finish this tournament with Northport, kabola. Tingnan lang natin kung hanggang saan naabot po yung kanya pong average scoring. Kabola. Arven Tolentino is really amazing player. Number 8 ko, Converge, kabola. They are currently 2-2 at the recording of this video. Of course, they are playing well. They have a deep team, kabola. I think ready na si Baltasar to lead this team together with Arana, kabola. Overall, we are excited. The import is fine, kabola, pero of course, we are also mid-team lang yung expectation natin dito. Number 7 ko, NLEX. NLEX, again, Mike Henry, their import is doing well, kabola. They have Bolik there, is doing well, pero biggest issue pa rin kasi sa kanila talaga yung frontline nila. Yun yung magiging issue talaga nila po pagdating po ng playoffs. Number 6 ko will be Meralco Balls. Meralco Balls is right now suffering from a lot of injury issues, kabola, to their key players. Aaron Black, wala na naman. Newsome is currently sidelined, but they're still winning games. Durham is slowly but surely getting into rhythm. So I think the future of the elimination round of Meralco will get better. Number 5 ko, Rain or Shine. Yes po, nasa number 5 ko pa rin po ang Rain or Shine, kabola. Yes, they currently have the best record. They are undefeated. They are really playing well, kabola. But remember, playoffs is different from the elimination round, and we are ranking them according to the likelihood of winning the championship. Number 4 ko, Ginebra, kabola. Ito talagang struggling. Kumbaga, if the struggles continue this week, malamang mahulog na sila dito sa ating pong top 4, kabola. Number 3, TNT. TNT naman, they are playing very well. Ronde Hollis Jefferson is still Ronde Hollis Jefferson, kabola. So, and of course, we are still shocked that Raymond Batak is playing well with his role, kabola. Pero overall, TNT is a legit championship contender in this tournament. Number 2 ko, Magnolia. So, up to this point, nandun pa rin si Glenn Robinson. Although, of course, very disappointing that he is not a monster import as expected, even though he's very athletic, kabola, obvious athleticism niya. Pero as a leader of this team, hindi niya na-reach yung ganun pong level. Number 1 natin is still San Miguel Beermen, and the logic is simple. The 4-point shot gave Fajardo much bigger space to operate, and that means how can you defeat a Fajardo-led team 4 times in a best-of-7 series with that huge of space na binibigay sa kanya? Kama ka ba, sino number 1 team mo? Kami na po sa baba.